Hello everyone. Today we will learn about protein absorption in our body. Welcome to Educators. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and put the bell icon for notifications on the updates. Let us move on to the main video. Over here, as you can see, we have a protein. You know that protein molecules are connected with each other by peptide bonds. So the amino acids, so let us see all these balls as one amino acids. So these amino acids are connected with each other as you can see with the help of the peptide bonds. Though when protein are digested in the human alimentary system, they are formed amino acids. 90% of the protein are formed as amino acid and some proteins, even like 10% of the protein, are there as smaller peptides, dipeptides or tripeptides. Protein absorption in our body is basically a complicated process than the carbohydrate absorption. So now you can see over here again, this is the villi of the small intestine. We have amino acids and few peptides in the form of dipeptide and tripeptide. So amino acids directly move into the enterocyte by active or passive diffusion, and over here the peptides like the dipeptides and tripeptides are being carried by pepti1, that is the dipeptide and tripeptide transporter, to the enterocyte. In the enterocyte there are peptidases which act on these peptides. See, there are small peptide bonds. So three molecules of amino acid connected by peptide bonds, they are tripeptide, and two molecules of amino acids with one peptide bond is dipeptide. So on these peptide bonds the peptidase enzyme act, and as you can see we are cutting through the peptide bond and free amino acids are formed, which are being carried by the amino acid transporters directly to the blood. So as you can see that in the lumen, what happens, the proteins, they are converted into peptides and amino acid with the help of the enzymatic proteins. Over here these peptides move into the epithelial cell with the help of H plus gradient, Mn plus 2 and vitamin B6, and those who are there as amino acid, they directly move into the epithelial cell, the enterocyte, as I shown you in the previous slide. Now this peptide by facilitated diffusion moves into the cell in the portal system, and the amino acid which was in the form of amino acid only need no further digestion and directly move into the cell with the help of diffusion. Let us check the 5 points very important for protein absorption. Number 1, separate transfer mechanism for acidic, basic and neutral amino acid. Amino acids are absorbed easily by vitamin B6. Mainly they are carried by passive diffusion process. Their absorption is completed mainly in the ileum and other parts of the small intestine. Lastly, but not the least, after absorption about 8 to 10 milligram of amino acid is present in 100 ml of blood. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe Educators.